Today is September 9th. This is Castle Kenny. I'm not sure if this is the Breba or main crop, but I had, looks like it's probably the Breba crop. I had a couple earlier in the season, a month or two ago, but the heat wave knocked it off. So here's my first Breba. First look, it looks like a English Brown Turkey Olympian type. Very smooth skin, looks beautiful. Medium to large size. That's pretty tight-eye. And since I only have one hand here, I kind of ripped it apart. Really nice. It has a much better flavor than Olympian, and it's melony sweet, and I like it because Ben had reviewed it, and he gave it a good review, and it had a Breba crop, which was interesting in that sense. Besides that, I'm glad I took a chance on it, and my source came from Ben, and I would rate this 7 out of 10, and I think the Olympian I would rate it 6 out of 10, so it is a notch better than Olympian. I don't think the main crop will ripen here since it's this small, but it could be because it's potted and it's the heat wave this year, but this would be an ideal fig for the Pacific West in ground since it has a Breba crop. We'll see you next time. We'll keep it short. Bye.